Welcome to Liam's Fun Place in Lilyland. Alright, when you start the music, then I will. Hello, friends and wonderful people all over the world. My name is Liam. Welcome to Liam's Fun Place in Lilyland. Today, my mommy and I are on the Mayfield Waterfalls. The Mayfield Falls consist of 21 miniature waterfalls. So come on, friends, what are you waiting for? Let's go have some fun!
Enjoy the tour?
Yes.
What was your favorite part about the tour going up? Swimming through the water tunnel or hiking up the falls?
I guess swimming through tunnel.
Okay. Why was that your favorite? Were you scared?
I was a bit scared.
Okay, that's good. Well, you learned to face the fear today. So what do you want to say to your guide?
He's the best guide ever.
Alright. So will I see you very soon?
Yeah.
Alright, so what are you going to say to your friends watching this YouTube video live?
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I survived the waterfalls, and it's definitely one of my favorite things right now. Because it was so awesome, and the best part was for when Princey made me swim. I meant when Princey kept carrying me down to the deep cave. And see you soon from Lilyland. My mommy and I are just coming back from Mayfield Falls to home. We stopped to Savannah. Savannah is the capital of Westmoreland, or that's just what my teacher taught me. I came to this spot because I often enjoy hanging out at this spot.